Hi friends, today we are going to make a delicious Goan prawn curry. This creamy, spicy and tangy dish is going to blow your mind. So let's start. First, we will make the tamarind water. Soak a walnut-sized tamarind in half cup hot water for around 10 minutes. Strain and remove the seeds and keep it aside. Now, dry roast the spices. I am roasting each spice one after the other. Keep the flame to medium-low to avoid spices from burning. In a clean dry pan, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and roast it for around 30 seconds. Then add 2 teaspoons coriander powder, roast it. Here I am using ground spices. You can also use whole ones instead. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder. Now add 3 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder and roast it until it becomes a deep red color. It's better to add the chili powder at the end as it needs the least amount of time to roast. Now let it cool. Into a grinding jar, add the roasted dry masala, 8 sliced garlic cloves, half cup grated coconut, 1/4 cup thin coconut milk, and grind it to a smooth paste. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Add a medium-sized onion, chopped. I have used pearl onions here. Curry leaves, and 1-inch ginger, chopped, and saute until golden brown. Next, add a medium tomato, diced, and cook till it is mushy. It's time to add the coconut masala paste. Cook till it boils. Add the tamarind water and mix well. You can add more hot water if the masala is too thick. Add salt to taste. Simmer for 10 minutes. Add the prawns and 3/4 cup thin coconut milk and cook till done. The cooking time of the prawns depends upon its size. For the prawns that I have used, It might take around 7 to 8 minutes. You don't want to overcook the prawns. Finally, add half cup thick coconut milk and bring to a simmer. Do not boil for long after adding thick coconut milk. The curry is ready. It's best served along with rice. Until next time, happy cooking!